They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And here, you even get a history lesson. This is the famous mashuri. I'm really curious to try this one because it's tuna and coconut together. Let's try. It's actually really good. It's flavorful, spicy. If I would have had this for breakfast every day, I wouldn't be sad to wake up.
Today I want to show you how to make our traditional Maldivian fish stew. Yellowfin tuna. Already cut this one. We have to boil.
Okay.
Like spicy.
I love spicy
Curry leaves.
curry leaves. I can't believe you made this in front of me now.
Yes.
Wow, you're a real artist. This is so good. It tastes just like the ocean, but in a good way. Wow. I'm so glad I came to this cooking class, and I will definitely be bringing this home to my country. I don't know if it's gonna be the same, but I've tried. That's interesting. Let's go see what this is about. Marhaba. What are you making? This is amazing.
I'm
Wow.
going to make some toys.
You make some cool stuff. I would love to learn this one day. Right now, I have to go to the local dance.
Bodu Beru?
Bodu Beru, that's right. See you later. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay, so let's end this day in traditional style.